Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the boldest and most futuristic trucks ever built, the 2026 Cyberpunk Truck. This machine looks like it's been pulled straight out of a sci-fi video game and placed onto the roads of today. The moment you see it, the sharp angles, aggressive stance, and neon-inspired details scream cyberpunk culture. It's not just another pickup, it's a vision of what the future of utility vehicles could look like. The exterior is a complete showstopper. Built with an ultra-strong alloy and coated in a unique reflective finish, the Cyberpunk Truck manages to look intimidating and beautiful at the same time. Its LED light bar runs across the entire front, glowing like a blade in the dark, while the armored panels give it a vibe of toughness that feels ready for anything. The wheels have a futuristic pattern, and with customizable lighting accents along the body, you can literally make your truck glow on city streets. Moving inside, the interior is a blend of luxury and technology. Instead of a traditional dashboard, you get a fully digital panoramic screen that stretches across the cabin. Touch controls are integrated seamlessly, and the AI assistant is always ready to handle navigation, entertainment, or even manage your smart home devices while you're on the go. The seats are covered in eco-friendly leather with neon stitching, giving that cyberpunk vibe while maintaining comfort for long drives. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 Cyberpunk Truck is all electric, powered by a tri-motor setup that delivers insane acceleration. 0 to 60 happens in just under 3 seconds, which is wild for a vehicle of this size. The range is equally impressive, offering nearly 500 miles on a single charge thanks to its next-gen battery technology. And for those who demand more, the truck supports ultra-fast charging that can bring it from 10 to 80% in less than 20 minutes. Of course, a truck has to be practical, and this one delivers. With a massive payload capacity and a smart adaptive suspension system, it handles off-road terrain as easily as it cruises through city streets. The rear cargo bed is electronically controlled, with hidden compartments for tools, gear, or even sports equipment. Plus, the Cyberpunk Truck comes with an optional drone companion, designed to scout terrain or record epic shots of your adventures. In the end, the 2026 Cyberpunk Truck isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. Whether you're driving it to work, showing it off in the city, or taking it off-road, this truck promises to turn heads every